From KV Siglines, Meerut, Kent. Today we study about algebraic expressions from class 8th mathematics. About algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions made of variable and constant. We study about variable and constant in class 6th. For example, two x. 2 is a constant and x is a variable. The value of constant is always same. It cannot be changed. And the value of variables can be changed. So we called 2x is a algebraic expression. Now we study about terms, factors and coefficient. In 2x, factor of 2x equal to 2 into x, and 2 is a constant and x is a variable. So constant part of 2x, constant part of 2x is called coefficient. So in 2x, 2 is coefficient of x. We shall study about kind of algebraic expression. Number 1, monomials. What is monomials? N expressions has only one term called monomials. For example, two x, 3a, etc. Number 2, binomials. An expression has two terms called binomials. For example, 2x plus y, 2a plus b, etc. Number 3, trinomials. N expressions has 3 terms. Called trinomials. For example, a plus b plus c, 3x plus y plus z, के बाद for polynomials. In general, monomials, binomials and trinomials are all polynomials. Now we shall discuss about like terms and unlike terms. Like terms. For example, three xyz and 7xyz, 3x square and 2x square. Now in 3xyz and 7xyz, xyz is common in both, so the coefficient of xyz is 3 and here coefficient of xyz is 7. So the power of variables and the variables are same, so we called like terms. In like terms, the power of variable and power in like terms, the coefficient are different, but the power of variable and variable are same. Then here xyz and 7xyz, so xyz is common and here x square is common, so the coefficient are not common, but the power of variable and variable are same, so we called like terms. Unlike terms, in unlike terms, the power of variables are not same and variable is not same. 3x square and 3y square, 2y and 3y. And 3x. So 3 is common, but the variables are not common in like terms. So the add of like terms is 3xyz plus 7xyz equal to 10xyz, but 3x square plus 3y square is not equal to 6x square plus, because here is x variable and here y is variable. Variables are different, but the coefficient of variable are same. So in like term, the variable or and power of variable are same, but unlike term, the value of the variables and power of variables are not same. Now we discuss about algebraic identities. A plus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. A माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab and a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b, and x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. For example, x plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, in this identity here a equal to x, b equal to 2, then a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x. For example, x minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, here is x, a equal to x, b equal to 2, then we apply a minus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 2 इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 4 माइनस 4x. If थर्ड आइडेंटिटी के लिए एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9 इक्वल टू हो गया, हियर ए इक्वल टू एक्स, बी इक्वल टू 3 का स्क्वायर, तो ए प्लस बी एक्स प्लस 3 एक्स माइनस 3. अब फोर्थ आइडेंटिटी x plus a into x plus b. When two monomials we multiply, then apply the identity number 4. Now x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. For example, x plus 3 into x plus 2, then here a equal to 3 and b equal to 2, then we apply the identity x square a plus b, a equal to 3, b equal to 2 into x plus 2 into 3, 3 into 2, x square plus 3 to 5x plus 6. Then we use algebraic expressions in many ways. in many questions. So goodbye.